Khandelwal, and this is the technical walkthrough of the Natural Disaster Rescue Assistant app, an AI-powered web app that helps users stay safe during natural disasters through real-time rescue planning and map-based support. To enter your address manually, you choose a disaster type like flood, wildfire, or earthquake, and the app shows nearby hospitals, shelters, and police stations using the Google Places API. At the same time, it uses OpenAI's GPT-4 to generate a personalized rescue plan based on your location and disaster type. It's designed to be quick, clear, and potentially life-saving. Here we enter our address and you can choose a disaster type and the radius, and it generates a rescue plan tailored to your needs. Here you can see that it has the police stations with the address, it shows where you are, and it has nearby hospitals and police stations and churches for your needs. The front end is built with Streamlit and Python. The map is created with Folium, and I use the Google Maps and Places API to find nearby resources. For rescue plans, I use the GPT-4 API through /chat/completions endpoint, sending prompts tailored to the disaster type and the user's address. I also added checks to make sure the location is provided before continuing. Instead of generic tips, GPT-4 gives location-specific instructions like what supplies you need or which areas to avoid, making disaster prep smarter and faster. When the user enters their address, disaster type, and radius, it goes to the Google Maps API and it finds nearby locations data and displays on the map. When the user enters their input, it goes to OpenAI and generates the response and shows it above the map display. Once the rescue plan is generated, it shows it to the user for them to use. New features like offline access to rescue plans, multilingual support, government alert integration, and SMS fallback for people without internet. This will make the app more reliable in real emergencies. Some user feedback I got from sharing with neighbors is the app is good, including the map and how fast the rescue plan appears. Although the app is good, the location should be auto-location. Some people even suggested offline support, which is something I plan to add next. Thanks for watching. This app shows how maps, AI, and real-time data can work together to support people when it matters the most. Thank you.